That operator is coming from Sultan Kudarat, Philippines. They are far, guys, but they came to the north, Surigao del Norte. Very skillful tractor operator. Skillful tractor operator.
I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I said I wanna close to you.
Yes, that's a good idea, guys. Look at that, leveling rice field. Yee! Nice, nice, nice. Very good, very good. Yes, yes. Expert operator. Good. Yes. That's all right. Very all right. Very okay, guys.